Hi, my name is Taylor Portman and this is Simple Samadhi Yoga. You are tuning into our second class of our Yoga for Buff Bros series. This is a short class that's going to focus on the upper body. You just need a nice stretch through the shoulders, open up through the backs of the arms. This is going to be perfect for you. I'll meet you seated wherever you would like on the mat. Finding a nice comfortable seat, we're gonna start by warming up the spine, taking some seated cat-cow. So inhale, roll the shoulders back behind you, open through the heart, open through the chest, pull the belly through. Exhale, press into the knees, round curl, tuck, squeeze, draw everything in. Inhale, pull yourself through, open through the neck. Gaze looks up, exhale, round curl, tuck, squeeze. One more, inhale, full breath, lengthen through the spine. Open through the heart. Exhale, round it out, squeeze it out, draw everything in. Inhale, find a nice comfortable seat. We're gonna take what I like to call a box breath. So the way it's gonna work is it's gonna be a 4-count inhale, a 4-count pause at the top, and then an 8-count exhale to release. So together we'll begin by just taking a full inhale breath. Breathe the breath all the way in, fill the belly up. As soon as you're all the way full, exhale, let everything go. Squeeze every last drop of air out. And then together we'll begin. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you'll notice that first 4-count inhale, you really have to work to fill the belly up fast. Then that 8-count exhale, you have to work to make sure you still have breath for that whole count as you release. So we're gonna do that as we move through our class. We're gonna transition into a tabletop. So shimmy your wave there. We're gonna start. Inhale, right fingertips lift up to high towards the sky, twist through the spine. Exhale, thread the needle, right shoulder comes down to the earth, right ear plants down. Tent the left fingertips, elbow point pokes up, and then twist through the spine. You're gonna take that box breath here. As you're ready, move at your own count if my count's too fast or too slow. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ground down through the left hand. Inhale, right fingertips lift up high, twist back out. Exhale, release. Coming back to your tabletop. Other side. Inhale, left fingertips lift. Exhale, thread the needle, right shoulder plants down, just kidding, that's your left shoulder. Left ear plants down, right fingertips tent, elbow pokes up. Take that breath. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ground down through the right hand. Inhale, left fingertips lift up high. Exhale, come back through center. Awesome. Tucking your toes under. Inhale, hips press up and back, downward facing dog. See if you can start to walk your toes to the edges of the mat. Heels come slightly in, toes slightly out. Finding a wide-legged downward facing dog. Hips are the highest point in the body. We're making this upside down V shape. So press through the hands, open through the shoulders, press the chest back towards the thighs. Awesome. From here, right hand floats back, coming to the left calf, maybe towards the thigh, then finding a nice twist, so looking under that left armpit. We're gonna take that breath again. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause for 4, 3, 2, 1. Twist it out. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, right hand comes back up to the top of the mat. Shimmy your whole body forward, coming into a high plank. Legs are still wide, high on the tippy toes. And then we're gonna find some mobility through the wrist. So coming high on the toes, start to rotate around the wrists in a circle. Taking those circles in one direction and then the other. Awesome. From here, hips press up and back, downward facing dog again. This time, left hand comes towards the right calf. Twist yourself out, look under that right armpit. Take your box breath. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause for 4, 3, 2, 1. Patient exhale. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, coming up through your plank pose. Awesome. From here, we're going to, what are we gonna do? Yes, okay. So come down to your forearms, coming to a forearm plank. Ground down through the toes, engage through the core, tuck your hips underneath you. Energetically pull your elbows back as you draw your toes towards the elbows. So you're squeezing everything in, you're finding a ton of engagement through the core. Take a full inhale here. Take a full exhale. Another nice long inhale. Exhale, release the hips down to the floor. Roll the shoulders back on the spine. Open through the heart, open through the chest, Sphinx pose. So we're not craning the neck here. Draw the gaze down, long through the spine. Press down through the forearms and draw your elbow points energetically back behind you as you open through the heart, pulling the chest through. And then breathing here. We'll take that nice breath as you're ready. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Notice how that breath feels really different in different postures. From here, slowly release out. Bring your arms out to a T. Bring your right ear towards the floor. We're gonna find a twist, opening up through the shoulders. Draw your left fingertips where your left shoulder was. And then start to roll on your right side body, leaving that right arm out beside you. We're opening up through the shoulder. You can bend your left knee, using it for stability, planting it behind the right knee. Staying right here, or maybe you inhale the left fingertips up and allow them to fall back behind you. You're gonna take that breath again. If you don't feel like moving your breath in that way, move your breath however feels good to you. If you'd like to move with my count, inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently release out of this. Rolling back onto your chest. We'll patiently move to the other side. Left ear comes to the mat. Right fingertips come underneath the right shoulder. Start to roll onto your left side body. You can bend at the right knee, planting it behind the left knee. Inhaling those fingertips up, maybe allowing the arm to float back, finding more of a stretch through the shoulders. Again, take this only as far as feels good for you. You can move with that same breath if you'd like. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Releasing out of this here. Hands come underneath the shoulders, hips press back to the heels, child's pose. Allowing the forehead to come down to the floor. Maybe you rock the forehead side to side. From here, see if you can bring your hands to prayer. And then finding a stretch through the backs of the arms, the triceps. Start to bend at the elbows, bringing your thumbs towards the back of the neck. Pressing your elbows down, opening through the armpits, feeling a nice long stretch through the arms. And then just breathing here, finding smooth, patient inhales and exhales through the nose. Inhale releases the hands back to the earth. Ground down through your forearms. Your elbows should be about the distance. If you were to cross your arms, that's about the distance your forearm should be. Plant the forearms down like you're making a number 11, and then pull yourself using the grip of the forearms into a modified tabletop. Forearms are still on the ground. Tuck your toes under. Inhale, hips press up and back, just like downward facing dog, but this is dolphin pose. Opening through the armpits, through the shoulders, pressing out of the arms. You can stay right here, or maybe practice inhaling, floating those left toes up. And stay here, or releasing, seeing if you can float the right toes up. Maybe you can walk the toes a little closer to your face, always bending the knees as much as you need to. If you're working on balancing postures, maybe you can practice your forearm stand, pressing, I have uneven ground here, pressing both feet up, pressing out of those forearms. Awesome. From here, ground down through your hands. Float those feet back to the floor if they're not already there. See if you can spread the fingers wide and press into your downward facing dog. Shake the hips out. Let that go. Walk your hands back to your feet. Bend your knees. Come down into a little ball. Drop your knees down to the floor. And then just shake everything out. Let that go. Bring your right hand in front of your face like you're gonna give someone a high five, using your left hand to draw those fingers back, opening up through the wrists. You can sit down with your toes tucked under, or if you want to stretch out through the feet, tuck your toes underneath you, sitting onto your heels, finding a nice stretch through the bottoms of the feet. Bend, folding that wrist, pulling your hand down this time. Shake that out. Left hand, extend the arm out long like you're giving someone a high five. Pull the fingers back towards your face. Finding nice smooth inhales and exhales. Release. Bending at the wrist. Fingers facing down. Pull the hand towards you. Feeling a stretch at the wrist. Release that out, shake it out, let it go. Inhale, float the arms up. Exhale, hands come down, tabletop. Pedal those feet out, releasing through the toes if you are seated. And then we're just gonna shift onto one hip, finding a comfortable seat, finishing our class seated here. Staying engaged through the breath, through the mind for just a couple more moments. Inhale, arms reach up, stretch up, lift out of the waist. Exhale, twist towards the right. Right fingertips come behind you. Left fingertips come to the outside of the right knee. Gaze looks over the right shoulder. Maybe the gaze closes. Coming back to your breath. We'll inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale back through center. Arms reach up, stretch up. Exhale to the left. Settling here. Gaze looks back behind you. Maybe the gaze closes. And then taking that breath again. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, arms reach up, stretch up, come back through center. This time, exhale, fold it forward. Modified forward fold with legs crossed. Just allow the chest to fall, the forehead to release. Let everything settle. Let the mind get still, the body to sink into this posture. Smooth inhales and exhales. As you're ready, start to walk your hands back up. Palms rest face down on the knees or thighs. Maybe the palms face up. Allow the shoulders to release, to settle. If there's any tension in the jaw, see if you can let that go. Any tension anywhere else in the face, let it melt. We're going to take 2 more rounds of our box breath. I'll count you through the first round, and then I'll let you count your own second round. We'll start by taking a big inhale together. Full inhale, breathe it in, sucking all that air in that you can. And then full complete exhale, let everything go. Press it all out. And then inhale, big inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause for 4, 3, 2, 1. Let it go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your turn. Coming back to your nice smooth inhales and exhales as you're ready. If your eyes were closed, maybe start to blink them open. Bring your hands to your heart. Thank you all so much for joining me here. I offer you this space to take a moment of gratitude. Grateful for your body that it can move, for your lungs that they can breathe. Grateful for the space that you've created in your mind, in your heart, in your body. From my heart to yours, namaste. You guys again so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a little thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more videos like this, please comment, let me know. I want to hear from you. You can also reach out to me on Instagram at Taylor Portman with 2 N's. I want to hear from you. I want to connect with you. I want to get to know you. So please reach out to me and let me know how you feel. Have a beautiful, beautiful rest of your day. Mwah. You keep getting bit. Stop it. Don't like it. Don't bite me. Okay, drawing your